Do you please know where's that exit, man? Where? Shit! Oh my days. Hi. Shit. Yo, sorry. Excuse me.
Are you serious?
And you survive. Dread it, run from it. Destiny arrives all the same. And now it's here. Or should I say, I am.
Yo, bro. How's it? Do you please know where's that exit, man? Where? Shit! Yo.
So now why? Ah my God. So why you doing to me now?
Wait for the exit.
Don't ask someone else there. I don't know.
Where?
I don't know anymore.
You're saying somewhere that side?
Yo, bruh. Can you go and ask other people? Bruh. Go somewhere else.
No, like, cause I just want to know, like, where's the exit?
There's another one up there.
Where? Like, straight up. You don't know?
What?
But, like, you were showing me most. Don't worry, bro. Sharing is caring, bro.
Sharing is caring on what?
On COVID. No.
Why are you running?
Yo, sorry, brother. Brother, do you please know where's the exit?
There's two exits. There's three actually. Which direction you want?
The main one. That side.
To town.
No, like the exit from this garden. Like the one where people sing and stuff.
Yeah, it's this. Ah man, why can't you face that side? Why can't you face that side? That side?
No, like I have a thing where like I prefer to sneeze on people, man.
Yeah? What? No, fuck, Jude, fine, go. No, you don't do that to me.
No, but I was asked where's the exit, so
No,
I can.
just leave. Go and ask that man there and do
Which
the
one?
same and see if he's gonna treat you like
Which one?
me. This one sitting here. Go and ask him.
Why not you?
No, you're sneezing on me. Why? What the is that?
Because I'm sick, man.
Sick of what? When you sneeze, face that side.
Nah, I have allergies, man.
So face that side, bro.
But like I prefer to do it on people.
Don't do that to me. Okay, don't do that to me. Face that side. Okay.
Okay, yeah. So where's the exit now? Yo, sorry. Excuse me.
Are you serious?
Are you serious right now, bro?
Sorry, I just like to sneeze sometimes. I don't know why.
And you put me your sneeze in my back?
Don't worry, it's fine.
No, it's not.
It looks nice.
No, it's not.
I'm looking for something. I'm looking for something like. Are you good? What's your name? Are you good? Are you good?
Bro.
Are you good?
No?
It was not easy.
No, you're not.
No.
Okay, my bad. What's your name?
I'm Sandra.
Sandra. Do you stay around? Well, like, look, I just came to get your number because, like, I'm going elsewhere. If you're into basketball, we can play together.
Oh, my boyfriend is just here. He's playing now.
Okay, it's fine. It's cool. I think I should sneeze on you again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry?
You say yes.
Yes, about what? I don't
About
understand.
to like sneeze on you again.
No!
Chin. So, like, chin. Hi. How are you? How are you? I'm giving you a fist bump. Sorry, I have allergies. Hi. What's your name? Indy.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hi. Lena. You see, I'm so allergic to you, bro.
You're allergic to me.
Yeah. I feel like you have to do something about it.
What do you want?
Must give me a number. 1947. And your name? Tracy. That's a cute name, not gonna lie. I have a friend named Trace, but she's so much drama. Do you also have drama? Do you also have drama in your life? Okay.
Hey, he's not make sure.
Yeah, bro. Now your friends are they single? Even better. Okay. No. Wait, no. Nice to meet you. I'll text you. I'm also okay. So allergic. See. I thought I'm. See. Oh my days. Hi. Hi. Hi, how are you? Can you hold me down? I'm scared of heights, man. Can you hold me down? I'm scared of heights. Can you hold me down, bro? I'm scared of heights, bro. I don't speak Costa, bro. I don't speak any of those, bro. Can you hold me down, bro? I'm scared of heights. Please. Please. Help! Help! Yo, bro. What's up? Bro, do you know where I can get to VNA, bro?
VNA from here?
Yeah.
Just go down them stairs.
Shit.
Just go down them stairs.
Which side? Which one?
Yeah, these stairs here. Then you go down. Then when you see the street, go left.
Bro, I didn't even get in this thing, bro.
When you go on the other side of yeah, when you go out. I see what you do.
You got me.
What thing, bro?
I see your spray bottle, but it's cool, man.
Which spray bottle, dog?
Empty out all them pockets.
Okay, so you're saying straight moves, now? It's a prank. I'm shooting a video there, man. The camera's there. So the guy there.
What? Oh!
No. It's a joke, bro. You're shooting a video, man. It's a joke, man. It just worked out. I was playing with it. Easy, right? I'm joking. Which people? Those are the ladies. No, look. It just was it's a joke, bro. Sorry. It's a joke, man. It's a joke, bro. It just was man. I'm just playing with people. I will save now and show up. Easy, bro.
You must pay.
We don't have money.
Pay you how much?
Pay me, my pay.
We don't have money.
How much? You just water. Tap water.
Give me something.
Give you how much?
That doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. How much do I have? Cool. Because, man, I'm joking. Look, it's a prank actually. I'm just shooting a video. The man being on camera. I'm waiting for her so they can go together. They can go somewhere else. Yo, guys, it's a joke. I'm shooting a video. The camera is
I told you.
yeah. Yes, it's too. I guess I'm gonna have to tell. Oh, crazy, bro. No mad things, innit? This always don't understand the assignments. Hold me down. Yeah, I'm scared of heights. Yo, bro. Do you know where it's like? They told me like there's an exit somewhere close by this side.
There's
You
an
know?
exit over here and there's an exit if you walk here straight down into the right. It's on the right hand side. So if you walk down here, not too far, take a right. There's a footpath.
Yo, bro. Shit.
There's a footpath on the right hand side. Then there's another exit.
So I must go straight.
Yeah,
And then
take a right.
Bro, what the heck? You drive with spray, it's fine, okay. So like, by that statue,
but
whatever.
there's an exit over here, just here as well.
Oh yeah, but it's like there's some
Exit on the right,
yeah.
yeah.
On the other side.
Yeah, if you just walk and there's another right over here.
What the heck? Huh?
Oh, okay, I see.
You see what?
There's a spray button.
You spray with it. With the camera. What the heck, bro?
Somewhere.
Camera's dead, dog. Let me act like this now, bro. You're messing up my scene.
That's a spray. I caught you.
You're messing up my scene now, bro. What the heck?
Can't be. Man's on some jokes.
Ah.
Please like, share, and subscribe my video, guys.